Top 20 amenities in luxury condominiums today. What matters to you? Would you pay more for these? Which can't you live without? Theater room, fitness center with yoga room, on-demand classes, roof deck with conversation areas, fire pits, landscaping, getting fancier every day, high-speed internet throughout the common areas so you can work out with all your tunes. Tennis courts like at 1555 Astor, 2020 Lincoln Park West, and 2650 Lakeview. Game rooms with billiards, ping pong tables, in-building commissary, dry cleaner, Dollop, Starbucks, outdoor kitchens and grills, maybe a private park like 2550 Lakeview. Electric car charging stations in the garage, lap pool, lounge pool, whirlpool, sauna, steam room. Co-working areas. Work in a different environment that's pretty from your own home. Dog grooming table, dog bath. 1000 South Clark has in-house doggie daycare. Wine vault room, keep your wines at the properly stored temperature. Golf simulators, practice your swing inside. Private bowling alley like Old Town Park. Concierge services, deliveries right to your door. The Ritz residences even have a butler. Children's activity or playrooms. Jam room, play the drums, guitar, rock out. Urban farming, pick your own food. Many condos have herb gardens on their roofs. On-demand Tesla like the St. Regis. Those are the top 20. What do you think?